Hello, my name is Jenny Lee Revis, and I'm a massage therapist here at Veronica's Color Salon and Spa, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. But what we do is we lay the client, the mommy, on their side, and we do the whole full body massage on their side, do their back, do their arms, do their leg, do their feet, and then we drape them and have them turn over to the other side. So they're able to get a full body massage on both sides, but it just works for them. They'll have a pillow on their side, a pillow through their leg, and just to support the baby as well, depending on how far the mommy is along. But they can have pressure, the mommies can be able to have pressure and be able to have a full body massage, and it benefits them as much as it would anybody else. Circulation, relaxation, improves the immune system. Everything that massage applies to the normal person, it also applies to a mommy. So it's very beneficial. I would recommend. You can also have stone massage while you're a mommy as well. So you're not able to, get cut back being a mom. You can have all of the treatments provided just in a different setting, laying on your side versus laying on your stomach and your back.